Well, after major delays due to the weather, travelers certainly anxious to get to all those flights. KAKE's Annette Lawless found some Kansans and a few local celebrities as well, gearing up for a big night ahead.
Flight delays may be the least of worries, at least for some people. A group of very determined Kansans are trying to get out of town to catch the Shockers in action.
We're anxious, nervous, but we're confident in our team.
Wichita State fans Ed and Katie Fields said they were supposed to leave for Indiana yesterday, but the weather, it got in the way. The season ticket holders of 20 years were finally able to get out of Wichita this morning. They, along with others, were able to get on board with a team which faces Indiana State tonight.
I love that they never give up, that they play as a team, and no matter what happens, they just never show any like they'll get flustered. They just keep working at it, and I love that aspect about them.
The Shockers take on Indiana State tonight at 7:05, and it should be a pretty tough test for them because the Sycamores are undefeated at home. You can catch coverage of this game coming up on KAKE News at 10 o'clock tonight. At Mid-Continent Airport, Annette Lawless, KAKE News.